In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share location in Google Maps. This quick method is perfect when you want to send a specific spot, like a meeting point, a parked car, or a destination. We're not sharing your live location here, just a precise place on the map that someone else can open for directions. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your mobile device. Give it a moment to load the map. You'll see your current view with roads, landmarks, and nearby places. If the map is zoomed out, you can pinch to zoom in for better precision. A closer view helps you mark the exact spot you want to share. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so the map loads clearly and quickly. Next, place a pin on the exact location. To do this, long press on the map where you want to mark the spot. Hold your finger down until a red pin appears. If you're pointing to something that isn't an official place, like a park entrance or a particular corner, zoom in tight and press exactly where you need it. If you tap a named place instead, like a business or a landmark, you can simply tap that location once to select it. You can always refine your choice by zooming and pressing again until the red pin sits right where you want. Take a second to check the address or description that appears so you know it's correct. Once the location is selected, look at the information card that slides up from the bottom of the screen. This card shows the name or coordinates of the spot along with options. Find and tap the Share button. Depending on your device, it might look like an arrow or say Share. If the card is minimized, just tap it or swipe up to reveal the full set of options so the Share button is visible. Finally, choose how you want to send it. You can pick a messaging app, email, or any other app listed, and it will attach a Google Maps link to the exact pin you set. If you'd rather share it later or paste it somewhere specific, select the option to copy the link to your clipboard. Paste it into any chat or note, and you're done. The recipient can open the link in Google Maps or in a web browser and get directions immediately. That's all it takes to share a precise spot in Google Maps. It's fast, accurate, and ideal for coordinating meetups or pointing someone to exactly where they need to go.